How to fix Cash App blocking payments. Now, first of all, check your internet connection. Now, make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Use Wi-Fi or mobile data with a good signal. Now, or you can update the Cash App. So by going to Google Play Store or App Store if you use the iPhone and search for Cash App and tap updates if available. Or you can verify your identity. So open Cash App, go to your profile, make sure your name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your SSN are entered correctly, or you can check your payment info. So make sure your linked debit card or bank account is correct and not expired, of course, and go to linked accounts section to confirm. Now, to avoid a suspicious activity, so Cash App blocks payments that looks unusual. Send money only to people you know, and avoid typing strong notes in the payment description. Now, finally, contact the Cash App support. So if your payments are still blocked, go to profile icon, then support, then tap something else and tap payments. And now explain your issue clearly and they will fix your problem. So this is how to fix Cash App blocking payments. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.